Hello guys, Joseph Milligram here, URK22CS1024. This is for the lab DevOps, and this is experiment 3 titled as Flask App Containerization and Docker Hub Deployment. The main objective is to create a Python Flask web application and containerizing it using Docker and then successfully deploying the image to Docker Hub so it can be shared with others. So we're going to see the industry relevance, as why it's important. As this experiment is very relevant to what is used in the industry, containerization is key as it ensures that a Flask app will run exactly the same way in any environment, whether it's on my laptop, a test server, or in the cloud itself. Flask itself is a popular lightweight Python framework that is used for building web apps and APIs. And Docker Hub is the final piece, as it's an image repository that lets us easily share and distribute a containerized app, which is essential for team collaboration and DevOps pipeline. So we're gonna walk through here. I've in the description I've written what is Flask actually, and whatever I said right now, and we're gonna go for the procedure itself directly. So this is like a starting setup commands for running the Docker and all the requirements. So we are at the procedure. So the first step is to create the Flask app. So first I created the Python application file here, uh, app.py, and it's a very simple Flask app as it import Flask and it defines a single route for the home page, and the backslash it returns a simple string to display in the browser. And the app is set to run on 0.0.0 and the port is 5000. I've also created a requirements text file to define a single dependency, which is Flask 2.2.5. So next we're going to see the Docker file here, as we have written a set of instructions here. So from Python 3.9 Slim, as this starts us with a lightweight official Python image, and the work dir/app. This sets the working directory inside the container to the app. So the copy text here, it copies the rest of our app code, specifically the app.python, into the container, and the expose 5000 tells Docker that the container will listen to port 5000, and the cmd command here will run when the container starts and executes our Flask application. So then after this we're going to log into Docker Hub. So with the files ready, I ran a Docker build under /t flask/docker/app, as this command builds the image for the from the Docker file and it tags it to the Flask Docker app. You can see the successful build in the terminal screenshot right here. And after building it, I ran the command docker run /p 5000 and the Flask Docker app, as this maps the port 5000 on my computer to port 5000 inside the container where the app is running. Then the terminal output shows the Flask server running and the server's request on the uh, website here. It starts with 127.0.0, that link. So finally what I did was I wanted to share this image and push this image to Docker Hub. So first I logged into my Docker, and then I tagged the image with my username, and then I finally pushed the tag image into Docker Hub with Docker push. So after pushing everything, we can finally see this web page has been pushed through Docker. You can see the link right here. After clicking, it will show with this. So in conclusion, we can see a Flask web application was successfully containerized, tested locally, and deployed to Docker Hub. Thank you.